Alright, welcome to 7-2, which is dividing fractions. Today we're going to be able to divide two fractions. That's our goal. I'm going to explain that process, okay? Our vocabulary is reciprocal, okay? We're going to come back to that vocab in just a moment. We're actually going to start the notes first, and then we're going to flip to the vocabulary halfway through the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is show the following problems with a visual representation. So 30 divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5 means I could have 30 spots. So if I make 30 spots, I'm going to divide it into 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, and then I just need to add on a row because I ran out. 5. If I make 30 dots, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. Okay, with number 2, we have 16 divided by 5. So I want to make 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could have done the same thing over here. Okay, I have 16 that I have to divide out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But if I look, they're not all the same. Here they were all the same. So in this one, this leftover, they had the same up until this point. So they all had 3. So it'd be 3 holes. And then there's 1 dot left over that I'm dividing between 5 rows. So it'd be 3 and 1/5 because there's 1 left over. Okay? Okay, so for number 1 here, we're going to show this division problem using arrays. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 2 arrays. So with arrays, what we're going to do is we're going to create 2 boxes like we did yesterday for the warm-up, building background. One here, and 1 here. Okay? So we're going to make 2 arrays using the denominators. The first denominator is 5, so I'm going to make 5 columns. So I'm going to make 4 more lines going up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Do the same thing on this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. That way there's 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to make 3 rows because my other denominator is 3. 3 rows. So rows go side to side. So I'm going to make 1, 2 lines. We always make 1 less line than there are rows. So there's 1, 2, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to shade in the arrays using the fractions. Okay, so with my fractions, I'm going to take my highlighters, and I'm going to have 4 divided by 5, or 4/5. So the fifths go in our columns. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's 4 of them. Okay, now I have 1/3, so that's 1 row out of 3. So here I'm looking at rows. I'm going to go horizontal, because that's 1/3. It was 1 out of 3 rows. Okay, I'm going to count the number of squares. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 here. Divided by, because there's my division sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. So I'm going to write that division as a fraction. So it's going to be 12 over 5, which I want to make into a mixed number. So to make it into a mixed number, I use division. 12 divided by 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. I'd subtract 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. So my whole number is 2. Fit in there 2 whole times. I had 2 left over, and my denominator is 5. So 2 and 2/5 is my final answer. Okay, we're going to do that again. Number 2. Show the following division problems using arrays. So we're going to make 2 arrays, We use our denominators. 1 tells us the rows, or the columns, 1 tells us the rows. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 boxes here. Okay, so the first one is going to have 4, they're both going to have 4 columns. So we're going to make 4 columns up and down. So 1, 2, 3. Try and make them even. If they're not quite even, that's okay. So now there's 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're going to have 8 rows. So 8 rows go side to side. So that means we have to have 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just going to add on 1 at the bottom because I ran out of space. 7. Okay, and same thing over here. 7 rows. There's 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I ran out of space. I'm just going to add 1 more to the bottom here. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, whoa, did I do too many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoop, that would have been disastrous. I did too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one I have enough though. This one I had too many. Okay, so now I'm going to shade in the fractions. So 3/4. Fourths are my columns. So I'm going to do 3/4. 3 of them going up and down. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 7/8 means I'm going to go eighths where there are rows. So I'm going to fill in 7 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of them should be shaded in except for the bottom row. Okay, now I'm going to count up how many boxes or squares there were in each one of these that were shaded in. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 divided by, and here I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so I'm going to write that as fractions. So 24 divided by 28. So I put 24 on top, divided by 28. Okay, now this was a positive divided by a negative. So I have to think about that. A positive divided by a negative gives me a negative. So this should be a negative answer. Okay, I want to simplify it though. What could I divide both of these numbers by? And divide by 4, divide by 4. So 24 divided by 4 is 6, still negative. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. So negative 6/7